I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Place the device on a flat surface and remove any case that might block the sensor. Open Quick Settings or Control Center and locate the Orientation Lock toggle. Tap it to lock the current orientation, portrait or landscape, so the screen stops rotating automatically. This immediately prevents unwanted movement because it disables automatic sensor-based rotation. Once done, make sure the on-screen icon shows the lock. That confirms the system will hold the selected view. Now lock orientation deeper in the system. On Android, go to Settings Display and switch Auto Rotate off so apps inherit the fixed view. On iPhone or iPad, open Control Center and enable Orientation Lock to force portrait or landscape depending on your current angle. For tablets and external monitors, open Display Settings or the Monitor OSD to lock rotation or aspect ratio. Some have a physical pivot lock. This prevents apps or external sensors from overriding the quick settings choice. Finish by testing. Rotate the device. Confirm the view stays fixed. If you need specific apps locked differently, use a reputable third-party orientation app or enable per-app rotation in developer or accessibility settings. Make sure system updates are installed because firmware fixes sensor behavior. If the screen still moves, recalibrate the accelerometer via built-in tools or reboot the device and remove any magnetic mounts near sensors. Tip: if recalibration fails, inspect for hardware damage. Replace sensor or seek repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.